Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
This is Aman Maheshwari.
This is Ritika Mishra from Upside Down Labs. This week we are excited to present the 14th update of Chords application. For those who are new here, let me quickly introduce you to Chords. Chords is an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for biopotential signals like ECG, EMG, EOG and EEG. So without further ado, let's get started.
Last week we focused on code optimization that will significantly boost the application performance and make the code more maintainable. Variable names were improved for clarity and index DB logic was centralized in perform index DB transaction to reduce redundancy within streamlined error handling and data conversion. Web workers were updated with delete file and delete all files handlers to offload intensive tasks. Preventing UI freezes and improving scalability, device detection was refined using optimized rejects and additional checks. Additionally, custom colors were centralized in colors.ts using Tailwind accent feature, ensuring consistency while preserving the default palette.
In previous video, we got a request to add support for STM32 boards, so we have added STM32 Black Pill and Core board in this week's update. On top of that, we have also added support of Arduino Mega and original Arduino Nano. The STM32G4 core board has 12-bit ADC and supports 16 channels at 500 sampling rate. Similarly, STM32F4 Black Pill also features a 12-bit ADC supporting 10 channels at 500 sampling rate. Arduino Mega features 10-bit ADC and supports up to 16 channels at 250 sampling rate. Arduino Nano Classic also features a 10-bit ADC and supports 8 channel at 250 sampling rate. These boards enhance the flexibility of Chords, enabling users to select most suitable hardware as per their requirement and achieve more accurate visualization of biopotential signals.
That's all for this week's updates. Be sure to explore our roadmap on Chords GitHub repo. Links in the description box below. For more information, check out the Chords documentation, also linked below. Miss any updates? Catch up with our Chords updates playlist. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedbacks. Share the feature you would like to see in Chords. See you in the next video. Bye bye.